A .357 Magnum can punch through a car door, knock down a charging hog, and ruin your week if you pick the wrong one. Here is the scary part. Most shooters overpay for stopping power they do not even need. We are ranking 7 of the newest .357 revolvers built for real carry and real money, starting with the most expensive pick on the list and counting all the way down to the cheapest one that might just outshoot every gun above it. Stick around, because the last pick on this list will probably surprise you. Seven, Colt Python Blued. This one carries a reputation that most revolver fans already know by name, and it earns every bit of that hype. For decades, this exact design has been called the Rolls-Royce of revolvers, prized for an action so smooth it almost feels unfair next to anything else on this list. The blued version brings back the deep old-school finish collectors have been begging Colt to bring back, paired with a fully adjustable rear sight and a target-style front sight that locks onto a bullseye with almost no effect. You can get this gun in barrel lengths anywhere from 2.5 inches all the way up to 8. So whether you want something small enough to conceal or long enough to use for target work, there is a version built for you. Price-wise, you are looking at around $1,700, which makes this the priciest gun on the entire list. That price buys you 6 rounds of pure fit and finish, the kind of trigger pull gunsmiths spend years trying to replicate on cheaper guns. This pick is not for the guy looking to save a buck. It is for the shooter who wants a revolver that looks just as good locked in a display case as it does riding on a hip. If saving money is the goal here, do not worry. The prices drop fast from here on out. 6. Smith & Wesson 386 Night Guard. This pick is proof that a good gun does not always stay discontinued forever. It runs on a Scandium alloy frame. And before you ask, no, that is not some made-up marketing word. Scandium is a real lightweight metal, and it is the reason this gun weighs in at a shockingly light 24.4 ounces, while still holding 7 rounds in the cylinder. That is 2 more rounds than most snub-nosed revolvers, packed into a gun lighter than some 6-shooters carrying half the ammunition. The cylinder gets a PVD coating to fight off scratches, dings, and rust, and the front sight uses tritium, which means it glows in low-light conditions without needing a flashlight pointed at it first. At $1,269, this is not a starter gun by any stretch. But if you want premium concealed carry without lugging around a brick on your belt, this one earns every penny it costs. The original version of this line disappeared from shelves years ago, and shooters have been asking for it back ever since. So, Smith & Wesson brought it back to a fan base that was already lined up and ready to buy. 5. Smith & Wesson 686 Plus Spec Series R. Sliding into 5th place, this one is built for shooters who want a wheel gun that can double as a serious competition piece. Smith & Wesson finally dropped the internal lock that old-school revolver fans had been complaining about for years. The same lock some shooters nicknamed the Hillary Hole. This version comes wrapped in a titanium-colored Cerakote finish, paired with a 4.3-inch barrel that has vents to cut along the top, a feature the company calls a power port, designed to bleed off gas and tame the muzzle flip you would normally get from a hot Magnum load. It even ships with an Aimpoint Acro red dot sight already mounted and zeroed right out of the box, so you are not stuck buying glass separately or hunting down mounting hardware on your own. At around $1,100 and climbing, it is pricey, but you are basically buying 2 products bundled into one purchase. This is less of a tuck-it-in-your-waistband kind of gun and more of a range bag or duty belt option, built on the tough L-frame that has survived decades of hard use in police holsters. Before we keep climbing down this list toward the real bargains, do yourself a favor and hit subscribe to All About Survival so the next breakdown lands right in your feed. 4. Taurus Deputy Dual Cylinder. Now we are crossing into the actual bargain territory, and this might be the cleverest gun on the entire list. It ships with 2 swappable cylinders, one chambered for 357 Magnum and 38 Special, and the second one built for plain old 9mm. That little trick means you can spend an afternoon at the range burning through cheap 9mm ball ammo, then swap in the Magnum cylinder the second you head home and need it for actual carry duty. Ammo prices being what they are these days, That swap could save you a real chunk of change over a single year of regular practice. With a 5.5-inch barrel and 6-round capacity, this single-action revolver runs around $600, and the long barrel gives you a sight picture that is honestly easier to shoot accurately than most of the shorter guns on this list. Swapping cylinders takes seconds once you get the hang of it. No gunsmith required, which makes this Taurus a smart pick for anyone who wants one gun that can wear two completely different hats. 3. Charter Arms Boomer. This is what happens when a brand known for a completely different cartridge decides to chase the Magnum crowd. Charter Arms built its reputation on a lineup that used to live and die by the 44 Special, and this version pushes that same basic design into Magnum territory instead. This gun was clearly built with one job in mind: hiding under a jacket without anyone ever knowing it is there. The barrel measures 2 inches and is double-ported, meaning small holes near the muzzle let gas escape sideways instead of straight back into your palm, which helps the gun from kicking your hand toward the ceiling on a full power load. The sights sit in a trench cut right into the top strap, so nothing sticks out to snag on your shirt during a fast draw. The hammer is fully enclosed too, which means no more catching it on your pocket lining the way an old school revolver might. 5 rounds, a 2-inch barrel, and a price tag sitting at $500 even. Small, simple, and built to disappear the moment you tuck it away. This is the kind of gun you forget you're carrying until the moment you actually need it, which is the entire point of a deep concealment revolver. 2. Heritage Rough Rider Big Bore. Number 2 takes the classic Old West look and keeps things refreshingly simple. No rails, no threaded barrel. Just an honest single-action revolver built the way these guns have been built for more than a century. The maker built its name on budget-friendly rimfire revolvers that beginners love, and this big bore version brings that same affordable thinking into a cartridge with real stopping power behind it, instead of just plinking power. It comes with a blued steel frame, a one-piece Cocobolo wood grip, and a choice between a 4 3/4 inch or a 5.5-inch barrel, both styled almost exactly like the original Colt single-action army that inspired the entire design. The cylinder also handles .38 Special, so new shooters can practice with a milder round before working their way up to full-power Magnum loads without buying a second gun. 6 rounds, a weight sitting right around 36 ounces, and a street price that often lands under $400, depending on where you shop. This is a real .357 Magnum revolver, not a toy. Built by a company most people only associate with cheap plinking guns and backyard fun. For anyone who wants the cowboy look without paying cowboy clone prices, this is about as close as you can get. 1. Rossi RP63. And finally, the cheapest gun on this entire list also happens to be one of the smartest picks for everyday concealed carry. This one sits right in what shooters like to call the Goldilocks zone, and once you understand why, it is hard to argue with the logic. Its barrel measures 3 inches, which is just long enough to give your Magnum rounds a real velocity boost compared to a stubby 2-inch snub, but still short enough to stay flat against your body and tuck away under a shirt without printing. 6 rounds in the cylinder, and MSRP sitting around $380, and performance that punches well above its price tag. If you only rewatch one part of this entire video, make it this one, because this little Rossi proves you do not need to drain your bank account just to carry serious stopping power on your hip every single day. So there you have it, 7 revolvers, 1 cartridge, and a price range stretching all the way from $380 up to $1,500. The expensive picks buy you bragging rights and a little extra polish. But the cheap end of this list, especially that Rossi sitting at number 1, proves that a tight budget does not have to mean a weak gun in your hand. Pick the one that actually matches how you plan to carry day to day, not just the one wearing the biggest price tag in the case. That wraps up our countdown. If it saved you hours of research, subscribe to All About Survival right now.